Your team's best documentation is sitting in Notion. Your support agents are in Zendesk, and every time a customer asks a question, someone has to bridge that gap manually. This is how you fix that, the smart way. Think of Notion as your team's shared brain. It's a flexible workspace that combines a wiki, a project manager, and a document editor into one place. For most companies, it's the central knowledge base where guides, policies, and product documentation all live. Zendesk is where your support team lives. It pulls every customer conversation, from tickets to chats to phone calls, into one platform. Most support agents spend their entire day here, handling questions and resolving issues in real time. Here's the problem. The knowledge lives in Notion. The questions arrive in Zendesk. Agents end up switching between tabs, searching for documentation that keeps evolving, and sometimes giving inconsistent answers because they couldn't find the right guide fast enough. The first option is the official Notion app for Zendesk. Paste a ticket link into a Notion page and you get a clean status preview. It's useful for project managers and developers who want to track customer feedback inside Notion, but it's primarily a one-way reference tool. The next step is automation platforms like Zapier or Make. You can build workflows that trigger when a new ticket lands in Zendesk and automatically create a page in Notion. These are reliable for data transfers and easy to set up without writing any code. For teams that need both systems to stay in sync, tools like Unito offer two-way data flow. When a developer updates a task in Notion, the linked ticket in Zendesk updates too. It keeps everyone aligned without anyone having to do it manually. But here's a fundamentally better approach. Instead of moving data around, you add an AI layer that actually understands your Notion content and uses it to assist agents directly inside Zendesk. No switching tabs, no searching. The answer comes to the agent, not the other way around. Tools like eesel AI connect to your Notion workspace as a live knowledge source, and it doesn't stop there. It can also pull from Google Docs, Confluence, and your existing Zendesk Help Center, giving it a comprehensive picture of everything your team knows. Here's what that difference looks like in practice. The traditional flow has 4 steps. Ticket arrives, agent reads it, agent searches Notion, agent translates the answer into a reply. The AI enhanced flow cuts it to 3. Ticket arrives, AI finds the answer from Notion, AI drafts the reply for the agent to review. If your team is spending time searching for answers they already have documented, eesel AI closes that gap. Try it free at eesel.ai and see how fast your Notion knowledge can start working inside Zendesk.